जय श्री राम दोस्तों। तो जैसे कि आपको पता है कि आज 4 तारीख है और आईबीपीएस आरआरबी प्री का आईबीपीएस आरआरबी क्लर्क का प्री का मॉक चल रहा है ऑलिव बोर्ड पे, जो कि शाम 7 बजे तक रहेगा। तो चलिए देते और देखते कितना आता है हम लोग का इसमें। ऑलिव बोर्ड पे चल रहा है, फ्री है, सब कोई भी दे सकता है। तो देखते हैं कितना आता है। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। There are 7 family members: Suresh, Shyam, Sriman, Silpila, Sikha, Sama, Supriya. The family consists of 4 generations: three female members and two married couple. Samar is father of Sikha. Samar is father of Samar is father of Sikha. Silpa is mother-in-law of Supriya. Supriya, who is married to Samar. Supriya. Silpa is mother-in-law of Supriya. Shilpa. Shilpa is mother-in-law of Shilpa is mother-in-law of Superior. Superior, who is married to Samar. Superior has 2 children. Superior has 2 children. एक और है. Simran is male and he is brother of Sikha. Simaran, and he is brother of Sikha. Suresh is father of Shyam. Suresh is father of Shyam. Shyam, who is grandfather of Simran. Shahyam. Shyam, who is Suresh's father. SURESH. Suresh is father of Shyam. Shyam, who is grandfather of Simran. How is Sikha related to Shyam? Sikha related to Shyam daughter. If Suhana is wife of Suresh, if Suhana is wife of Suresh, then who will be daughter-in-law of Suhana? Shilpa. Shyam is father of Dash. Shyam is father of Samar. Samar Superior. Samar Superior. There are 5 letters. How many such words are there which have all letter in the alphabetical order? नहीं, ये नहीं है. HIM एक. ये नहीं है. ये नहीं है. ये नहीं है. एक ही है ना. एक. Which of the following word have as many letters between the first and second letter as many between them in the English alphabet? Which of the following word has as many letters between the first and second letter as many as they have between? ये मेरे को समझ में नहीं है, क्वेश्चन क्या था. नहीं, मैं क्या. ABCDEFGHIJKL. नहीं होगा शायद. If the letter B is added in the beginning of each word, how many meaningful words? If the letters in each word are arranged in reverse alphabetical order, then how many words will remain unchanged? रिवर्स अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर मतलब बड़ा से छोटा. बड़ा से छोटा. ये नहीं है. नहीं. नहीं. एक. URN. URN. वन. If all the words are arranged in dictionary order, then which word will be fourth from the right hand? फोर्थ फ्रॉम दी राइट हैंड, तो पहले ई आएगा और पहले पहले ए आएगा फिर ई आएगा। 8 person are sitting around a circular table facing the center, such that one person is sitting at each corner. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. H is sitting second to the right of E. H is sitting second to the right of E. H is sitting second to the right of E. T is sitting third to the left of E. T is sitting third to the left of E. O is sitting exactly opposite to T. 1, 2, 3. O is sitting exactly opposite to T. O is sitting exactly opposite to T. O is sitting exactly opposite to T. W, C, O, R, N, E, corner. G is sitting second to the left of O. G is sitting G is sitting second to the left of O. G is sitting second to the left of O. N is sitting to the immediate right of S. N is sitting to the immediate right of S. W ये कॉर्नर है, ये भी कॉर्नर होगा, ये भी कॉर्नर होगा और ये भी कॉर्नर। Who is sitting fifth to the right of W? Fifth to the right of W. One, two, three, four, fifth. S. Who among the following is sitting on the edges? S O S O 1 and 2. The one who is sitting third to the left of dash is N. Third to the left of G. Third to the left of G is N. O T are sitting at the corner. O T are sitting at the corner. नहीं, G is an immediate neighbor of W. N is sitting exactly opposite to H. If S and G interchange their position with each other, S and G interchange their position with each other, then who is sitting second to the left of G? Second to the left of G. O. एक नंबर इतना 8% are sitting in a live in an 8-story building but not same order. The bottom of 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Only one four floor are between J and N. N who live above J. N 1, 2, 3, 4 J. N J N J. N who live above J. O live immediately above L. O live immediately above L. O live immediately above L. L who live above H. L who live above H. O live immediately above L. L who live above H. N live immediate below K. N live immediately below K. 2% live between K and M. एक दो M. एक दो M. तो यहाँ पे O L H H I J K H I. How many floors are above I? So two. Four of them are related to each other. N L N L H M O M O O even पे है. Which of the following statement is false? K live on the topmost. Two floors are below L's floor. ठीक है. H third. The number of person living above is same as number of person Living below J. M live immediately below M. M live immediately below I and immediately above IO. IO. 7% PQ are still like different but not in the same order. Each of them like S like carom, S like CARROM carom, S like carom, neither P nor Q nor T like chess, CHESS chess, P Q T. Q does not like hockey football, HOCKEY hockey, FOOT football. U and Q does not like hockey football. Q does not like hockey football. Neither U nor P like badminton. BAD badminton. Neither U nor P like badminton. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Neither Q nor T like badminton. Neither U nor P like badminton. Neither Q or T like badminton. Neither R nor U like chess. Neither R nor U like chess. P does not like football, cricket, football. CRICKET. P does not like football, cricket. P does not like football, cricket. Neither P nor T like hockey. Neither P nor T. PQ, STU, V. एक और गेम क्या बच गया? चेस, क्रिकेट, टेनिस. टेनिस. TENNIS. टेनिस. चार है. तो PQRSTUV. और यहाँ पे आ गया तेरा PQR PQRSTUV. P यहाँ भी नहीं है तो P यहाँ आ जाएगा. Q यहाँ नहीं है तो Q यहाँ आ जाएगा. T यहाँ आ जाएगा. Who among the following like hockey? हॉकी यू को पसंद है. If Q is related to cricket, if Q is related to T is related to football. Which of the following? P tennis, P tennis, V chess, V chess, T badminton. Want A and B. R likes, R likes badminton. Some wall are doll, some wall are doll. All ball are doll, all ball are doll. Some all doll are ball, all doll are ball. नहीं. No wall can ever be ball. No wall can ever be ball. Neither no. No feather is soft. Some plume are feather. Some plume are feather. No soft is plum. No soft is plum. Galat. Some feather are plum. Some feather are only two. Only a few bicycle or tricycle. Only a few bicycle are tricycle. Only a few bicycle are tricycle. Some tricycle are quad cycle. Some bicycle being quad cycle is a possibility. Some bicycle being quad cycle is a possibility. Huh? No tricycle is bicycle. No tricycle is. Only one. Only a few can't are all. Only a few can't are all. No lift is all. No lift is all. All lift can never be quant. All lift can never be quantal. Galat. Some lift being quant is a possibility. Some lift being quant is a possibility. Only two. Only a few punches are orange. Only a few punches are orange. All orange are red. All orange are red. Some punches are definitely not red. Some punches are definitely not red. Galat. All red can never be punches. All red can never be neither. No. Consider the following. Consider the string given below which consists of alphabet, symbol and digit and answer the question. What is the sum of even digits which are immediately preceded by an alphabet? Alphabet even. एक, आठ, आठ चार 12, 12 छः 18. How many symbol are there in the above string which are immediately preceded by a digit, simple digit, and immediately succeeded by an alphabet? सिंबल का पीछे नंबर अल्फाबेट एक, एक, दो, तीन, चार, चार. What is the sum of all digits which are either preceded or succeeded by a symbol? दो, 10, 10 5 15, 15 6 21, 21 4 25, 21 4 25, 25 7 32, 32. Four of them pair alike. एक दो तीन, सिक्स, सिक्स और कॉपी राइट. एक दो तीन, तीन, ओ वन, एक दो तीन पी आर, एक दो तीन ई ओम. ई ओम ही अलग है. Which of the following elements seventh to the right of 15th element from the left hand? Which of the following element is seventh to the right of 15th element from the left hand? 22वां element. चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ दस ग्यारह बारह तेरह चौदह पंद्रह सोलह सत्रह अठारह उन्नीस बीस इक्कीस बाईस. ओ. Numerical. The difference between two positive number p and q is इतना 80% of p is 32 more than speed of boat q still water is इतना and speed of boat q in still water is इतना and its downstream speed is 3 kilometer more than the downstream speed of p. Steam is following with of कितना 45 and is around 3 kilometer more than launching speed of p 42 then for p will 42 15 30 30 माइनस कर देंगे तो 12 12/240 20 आवर में A B together can do a piece of work in A B together can be B C together 12 if A C together can complete the work in 15 days A C together can complete the work in 15 days 60 4 5 6 in how many days it will take A B C together to complete the work 11 15 4 8 दिन collection made by movie mission 3000 is what percent more or less than collection made by movie civilian. What is the average collection made by movie mission civilian and fighter? मिशन 3 सिविलियन 2 5 और फाइटर 4 9 3 एवरेज ही पूछा है ना if the collection made by movie Spider-Man is 40% more than the collection made by movie Fighter 4 560 then find the collection 560 what is the ratio of money earned by wolves and fighter 5 4 if the lead actor of all film is Tom Cruise he get 20% of the total collection fee in which movie he got the maximum fee wolves minus plus minus plus 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 23 तो तो ये हो गया तेरा वाई ग्रेटर है वाई ग्रेटर है एक्स एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस इज इक्वल टू 64 बाई 9 बाई 3 9 तो ये हो गया तेरा प्लस हो गया प्लस ये हो गया माइनस 8/3 8/3 और ये तेरा हो गया माइनस माइनस कितना है 49 इंटू 3 7 इंटू 3 तो ये हो गया तेरा 21 7 एक्स बड़ा है ये क्या है प्लस प्लस माइनस प्लस कितना हो गया 12 नहीं 14 6 21 4 और ऊपर कितना है 11 इंटू 14 22 7 22 7 तो ये भी बड़ा है एक्स बड़ा है माइनस 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 11 10 तेरा हो गया 8 7 वाई बड़ा है What is the difference between the simple interest received on ITNA at 3% per annum for 6 months and simple interest received on ITNA? Mhm. 75 into 13, 65 का 5 6 हाथ में 91 97 और 4 8 7.5 4 8 7.5 तो 5 12 15 16 13 14 और इस पे कितना है 3%। 115/3 345 222 नहीं 172.5 172.5 009 1290 Profit earned by A is 3 times the profit earned by B. A, B, 3x, x, B whose profit is half the profit earned by C. If ABC invested for 5, 10, and 15 months respectively, the ratio of investment by बारह 9 1 2 और ये तो कट रहा है 1 2 3 क्या होगा तो यहाँ अगर 3 3 6 आ जाएगा तो यहाँ पे 12 आना चाहिए 12 यहाँ पे तेरा 5 9 17 5 9 17 4 8 16 33 36 33 9 69 1 2 1 2 4 8 16 फिर 11 18 2 36 36 18 54 72 90 280 17 12 29 इंटू हो रहा इंटू 2 -4 इंटू 3 186 -9 इंटू 4 177 तो 4 करेंगे तो 28 का 8 दो हाथ में 28 30 का 0 तीन हाथ में 4 7 8 8 16 तो ये इंटू 5 -25 होगा और ये इंटू 6 34 34 35 इंटू 6 30 का 0 तीन हाथ में 18 21 का 1 दो हाथ में 24 26 का 6 दो हाथ में 18 20 और यहाँ पे तेरा 16 हो रहा था यहाँ पे 25 हो गया यहाँ पे यहाँ पे 36 हो रहा होगा तो 26 20,500 और यहाँ पे तेरा 15 4 17 17 दो 19 8 21 23 113 6 3 1 136 इंटू 6 इंटू 3 इंटू 6 इंटू 3 इंटू 6 इंटू 3 13608 बाई 3 24 का 4 टू हाथ में 2 18 का 8 वन हाथ में 19 का 0 1 3 4 40 482 1.5 2.5 3.5 4.5 5.5 28 35 इंटू 5 35 का 5 25 का 5 दो हाथ में 17 का 7 एक हाथ में 40 41 का 1 चार हाथ में 14,000 और 1417.5 512 9 5 5 1 15 592 ये कितना है इंटू 4 इंटू 5 इंटू 6 इंटू 7 इंटू 8 3360 इंटू 8 0 48 का 8 फोर हाथ में 28 का 8 टू हाथ में 26 26800 यहाँ पे क्या होगा if the mark price if mark price of a school bag is 1200 if two successive discount of 25% इतना is given on the mark price 1200 into 3 by 4 into 72 by 100 तो ये हो जाएगा तेरा 1 8 18 ये हो जाएगा तेरा 25 25 हो जाएगा तो तेरा 4 बार में 100 और 8 बार में 48 48 इंटू ये तेरा हो जाएगा 12 और ये तेरा हो जाएगा 54 इंटू 12 48 का 8 फोर हाथ में 60 64 64 8 3 प्लस 57 प्लस 3 60 640 और 1296 6 13 9 1 1936 19 इंटू 21 19 × 21, तो ये तेरा हो जाएगा 189 का 9, 18 हाथ में 21, 39। 101। 5 का 32 और 25, 45। 10, 12 का 2 एक हाथ में, 5, 5, 10, 70, 102। और ये तेरा हो जाएगा माइनस का 81, तो 19, 21। 9, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 7, 7, 14। और तेरा 7, 6, 5, 9, 8, 2, 7, 14, 16, 17, 1477, 0, 7, 2/3, 90। 5, 30, 30 है ना? 30, 32/5 इंटू 5/4, 5, 8 यहाँ आ गया। 8x इज इक्वल टू 90, 168, 21। यहाँ पे क्या है? 3 × 176 × 25/50, 2, 8, 8। और ये 24, 240, 264, 264। और प्लस का करना है 7, 271, √256, 60%, 4, 4 इंटू 6, 24 का 4, 2 हाथ में 26। और ये तेरा हो जाएगा, कितना का होता है 16, 1.6। तो ये हो जाएगा तेरा 28, 28 माइनस 25, नहीं 28 माइनस 16, 12। After 4 year ratio of ages of Garima and Jia, after 4 year ratio of the ages of Garima and Jia will be 7:9. After 4 year, after 4 year, 3 year ago the ratio of Garima and Jia, 3 year ago ratio of Garima and Jia was 7:10. यहाँ पे 2 का है तो यहाँ पे भी 3 का लाना पड़ेगा। हाँ 3 का है तो यहाँ भी 3 का लाना पड़ेगा। और यहाँ पे तब इंटू 2 होगा, यहाँ पे इंटू 3 होगा, यहाँ 2 होगा। तो 21, 27, 14 और 30, और 14, 20। ठीक है। देन द प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ गरिमा इज, गरिमा का प्रेजेंट एज 21 साल है। Total number of book in all the 5 library together is, total number of book in all the 5 library together. Out of total number of book library M, ठीक है, 75% are academic and rest are story book. How many story book are there in library M? मतलब 6%। 48 × 6, 48 का 8, 4 हाथ में, और तेरा 24, 28, 288। If the average number book of library JKP is 400, 1200, JKP, JK, 8, 23, 23, JKP is 400, 48 into 48 इंटू 23 तो ये हो जाएगा तेरा 230 में से 46 माइनस जाएगा तो 84 का 4 18 हाथ में तो 46 92 तो 110 तो ये हो जाएगा तेरा 96. How many more books are there in library L as compared to J? L as compared to J. L as compared to J 20%. 960. Total number of book in library M. Total number of book in library M 24% is what percent of the total number of book in K and together? K or N? K or N? 40%, 60%. If 156 more book are placed in library, then the number of book in library L 28. 28 or 48. 64 का 4 6 हाथ में 32 38. 16 का 6 1 हाथ में 8 9 4 14 का 4 1 हाथ में 12 13 और 1 5 6 1500. 8 members Arjuna and Mohan are sitting in a two parallel row but not in the same order. They are sitting in such a way that person sitting in row 1 face the person sitting in row 2. Jagita is sitting at one of the extreme end. Jagri जागृति 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 AGRI person sitting in such a way that row one of Harshita is facing south while Jagriti facing south. Jagriti is sitting one of the extreme and faces the immediate neighbor of Neha. And faces the immediate neighbor of Neha. And faces Jagriti is sitting one of the extreme and faces the immediate neighbor of Neha. One person sits between Prakash and Manish. Prakash Prakash and Manish. Prakash and Manish. Prakash and Manish. Prakash and Manish. Manish who is not next to Anuj. 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 Prakash. Prakash. Manish. Anuj. Prakash और यहाँ Manish. Hetal is sitting opposite to Anuj. Hetal. Hetal. Hetal is sitting opposite to Anu. Neha does not face Varsha. नेहा वर्षा कारण कुछ लाइन छूट गया क्या? Jagreet is sitting one of the extreme and then face the person immediate left of Neha. और face the person immediate left of Neha. ठीक है. Who is sitting diagonally opposite to Anuj? Anuj का diagonally opposite Jagreet. What is the who is sitting exactly between Neha and Anuj? Neha Anuj के बीच में प्रकाश. Who is sitting immediate right of Varsha? Who is sitting immediate right of Varsha? Immediate left of Varsha Karan. Four of them are certain way. Hetal Manish, Jagreet Anuj, Neha. Manish is related to Jagrut. Manish is related to Jagreet. Varsha is related to Prakash. Varsha is related to Prakash. In the same way, Dash is related to Karan Neha. ये हो सकता था इन नंबर 48 इतना if the digit are arranged in ascending increasing order drop हो ओ दोनों में एक एक गलत हो गया आखिरकार और दोनों में ओ टाइम डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ही मस्त है एकदम 22.34 मिनट और इसमें भी 22 और दोनों में बनाए भी एकदम सेम है 36 बनाया है और इसमें भी 36 बनाया है और दोनों में एक एक गलत हो गया है और मेरा टोटल स्कोर बनाया 69.50 एक एक गलत हो गया और थोड़ा बनाया जा सकता था चलिए मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट मॉक में और देखते हैं उसमें कैसा आता है और तब तक के लिए बाय और मेरा टोटल आया 69.50 72 बनाए थे 70 राइट हुआ है दो गलत हो गया चलिए मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट मॉक में और देखते हैं उसमें कितना आता है चलिए बाय प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए एग्जाम बहुत सामने है चलिए बाय